Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. So first, you just have to open your WhatsApp application, go to settings, scroll down, go to chats, and then you need to look for chat backup. And you need to make sure also that you have logged in your correct Gmail or email account here. And then what you're going to do next is once you tap this chat backup, you need to click this backup. Okay. Now, as you can see below here, you can see this end-to-end encrypted backup. I'm going to show you first how to turn this one on. So tap this one, click turn on. And then what you're going to do here is you need to create a password in order for you to turn this one on. So your backup will be safe even if you lose your phone. So tap turn on and then create password or use 64-digit encryption key. So let me tap create password first. We type my password, tap next, create, and then that's it. Now I'm enabling my end-to-end encrypted backup. Now, if you don't like this feature and you feel like turning this one off, then go back to settings, go to chats, scroll down here, click chat backup, scroll down again, and you will see this end-to-end encrypted backup. Just click turn off. And then after you tap turn off here, what you're going to do next is you have to enter your password again to make sure that you're using or you're the one who's using your WhatsApp at the very moment. After you enter your password, tap next. Now it's verifying and click turn off again. Tap done, and that's it. That's how you easily remove end-to-end encryption here in WhatsApp. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.